Hey everybody, Carl Elwine. I got a quick teaser for you. New project. It's going to be fun. I hope you will like it. But today it's just a teaser. I want to show you what I got. This car is basically just to improve the wiring, make sure the wiring is good, make sure the fan turns on. What is it? It's an 82 Corvette. All right, 82 Corvette, well kept. With modern Corvette wheels, a nice paint job, nice interior. What's underneath the hood? All right. A AFR headed LT1. So this is I saw the computer. It's a OBD1 LT1 computer behind the seat. So this is a wiring improvement and neatening and protecting and making sure the fan works, because right now it's questionable that the fan works or not. This still has OptiSpark and OptiSpark distributor, but in the driveway, getting it off the trailer, it works good. It ran good at idle, and apparently it still also runs good, out on the street. I haven't taken it for a test drive. I want to make sure I get the fan working. Check out the entire health of the car. That's what you'll see throughout the next week or so. 82 Corvette. Check this out. Pretty nice interior. It smells good. It's in good shape. And hiding in here is that LT1 computer. You can see it right there. So, in one take, Carl Elwine, Elwine Engines. Keep posted, keep tuned. All right, so in one take, Carl Elwine, Elwine Engines. Take care.